In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Hawk in Untitled boxing game. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to acquire the Hawk fighting style, and I'm gonna give you a basic overview. So first, for you to get the Hawk style, all that you have to do is go over to Fight Styles at the left side of the screen and spin the gacha wheel. As you can see, the Hawk style is available under the legendary styles, which only have a 1% chance of dropping, so it is exceedingly rare. If you get it here, the style will be equipped immediately and you will be able to use it. Now you will notice that for my account, I don't actually have it at the moment unless I get it here, so I won't be able to demonstrate actual gameplay of it inside of the game against the dummies, but I'm still gonna give you a basic overview on what to expect. So the Hawk is a legendary style, and the gimmick is that it has a unique dodge called the sway back. By standing still and pressing the dodge button, you bend your back to dodge any attack, no matter where it is thrown from, but there are some very limited exceptions. So the passive is going to be a rage meter. The Hawk passive consists of a meter with 3 bars. So reaching the 2 modes increases your M1 speed, slows healing, and gives special M1 strength and visual effects. You can increase your rage meter by just throwing punches, and the special ability, like I mentioned, is going to be sway back. It has a special dodge by dodging while standing still, so if you press dash while standing still as the Hawk, this dodge will perfect dodge almost every attack, even the ghost jab, while ignoring the angle of the attack. There are some very specific styles and moves that can bypass this, but for the most part, it is not necessary to make a perfect dodge to avoid receiving damage. You can use it to avoid receiving damage without making the perfect dodge, and it is possible to avoid attacks upon a failed sway back with a side dodge follow-up. The M1 chain includes a barrage of punches from literally any angle. They deal decent damage and have anti-heal and reduce the amount of health that can be regenerated, just like Slugger, and deal boosted counter damage to some extent. It does a little below average damage against blocks, and the rush combo for the Hawk style consists of a left shuffle hook thrown from an unconventional angle, a right straight followed by a right-handed uppercut to the midsection, and another right uppercut to the jaw. The heavy punch or M2s consists of 2 heavy punches, one through a straight right and another a left uppercut dealing good damage, and the ultimate is pure violence. So you will be able to use all of these moves to counter your opponent to the best of your abilities. So the pros are that perfect dodging becomes easier because you can just dodge while standing still in place. It has good damage, making passive play and offensive play viable, and it has above average counter damage with anti-healing M1s, so you don't have to rely on your M2s or counters. However, the cons are that it is a legendary fighting style, so very hard to get. It has a high skill ceiling, which requires higher reaction speed, and you receive more counter damage. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Hawk in Untitled boxing game. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.